When I first walked into Protiviti, I was greeted by my assigned advisor, who's been a great mentor. From day one, I felt like I had a whole support network around me, so it's not just colleagues, but friends too. We kicked off with an in-person grad meetup, and I immediately felt at home.
So we had an office tour that was really helpful. I found out what all the collab spaces are, the end-of-trip facilities, and of course, where to grab the best coffee. Plus, they handed out some great Protiviti merch.
One of the things that stood out to me was learning about Protiviti's policies and programs. The Bring Your Own Device policy is a nice perk, and the Employee Assistance Program and wellness initiatives show how much they care about our well-being. The Flex Workplace and Bonus Program, total game changers. And the Career Continuum and Challenge School, they're already helping me map out my future.
I've got to dive into some online learning through the Grad Bootcamp and Passport to Protiviti program. It's been great to have structured learning paths, plus the grad breakfast was great. Good food and even better conversations. I've already put my skills to the test with my first 2 engagements, and the experience has been amazing.